The industries that power the world all depend on one thing: data. And when it's clean and trusted, everything runs better. But across every operation, bad data hides in the details: duplicate values, missing fields, inconsistent records, quietly slowing migrations, inflating spend, and clouding decisions. Most data quality tools find the bad data. They light up the problems in red and then leave the fixing to you. Prospecta presents Clarity. Clarity goes further. It doesn't just find bad data, it fixes it. Assess, filter, and fix, all in one place. It matches and merges duplicates, classifies records, and applies survivorship automatically. So a single golden record survives every time. Duplicates get matched and merged into one record. Every record is classified into the right category automatically. Weighted rules decide which field values win and show exactly why, marking each as survived, not survived, or needs review. The payoff shows up everywhere. Cleaner migrations and upgrades, vendor records consolidated instead of duplicated, and flawed asset data caught before it ever reaches your maintenance systems. Fewer surprises, audit-ready compliance, smarter spend, and decisions your teams can actually trust. And Clarity does the heavy lifting with AI enriching and correcting even bulk data, so your team approves the exceptions instead of fixing everything by hand. New files are checked automatically the moment they arrive. It's not a one-time cleanup, but ongoing, intelligent transformation. Every fix flows through one governed path into your systems. Tracked, approved, and it stays fixed, cycle after cycle. Cleanse and transform. That's Clarity. Stay updated on what's new. Visit Prospecta.com and follow us on social media.